I'm in the grip of the biggest catastrophe that I think I've ever had at Lalande. It's the weekend of Lalande's singles event. It starts tonight. I have to fly to Lalande now. And in the last 48 hours, 6 of my single men have dropped out. Luckily, I have lots of other friends who happen to be at Lalande this weekend, so there'll still be a party, but honestly, I was having palpitations this morning. I didn't think I'd be able to get out of bed. I don't know how they're going to take it or if we can salvage the weekend and have loads of fun with them anyway. I hate the thought that people won't have a magical time. How do you feel about being one of the only men coming, Amory?
I'll answer you that one later.
And the only reason he's coming is because he's my cousin, and I would kill him and hunt him down if he didn't come. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's really good. We're home, and the women are so lovely. I can't believe it. They're just wanting to have fun. They don't mind that the men aren't here, and the weekend is starting to look up. All of the girls have gone to a huge local brocante this morning, and I'm preparing lunch. Hello, Mr. Darcy. It smells so good. I can't believe how well that one's done. Oh, it smells wonderful. I can't believe we've actually found a cool spot in the garden. Hello, beautiful cousin.
Cheers.
Glad you found the Carpe Diem napkins, Michael. Oh, I blame the men. I blame the men. Here we go, we're all off on Michael's treasure hunt.
This treasure hunt is historically set in Lalande. You have an envelope in here which will have your first set of clues. Amory's practically burning hot, roasting.
Not too bad to say.
Very, very warm. You're practically on fire. Oh, given too much away.
There's a dagger. There. You shall go to the ball, but you must be home by midnight. So find your ride before it turns into a pumpkin carriage. Right.
He's good at that, isn't he? We both want to kill Michael. He's making us count every single word in this massive block of text.
What?
Is this our prize?
Yes.
Although you have come third, Mummy, how do you feel about beating Percy at least?
Thank you, Jocelyn. You're very welcome. Thank you, Google.
There's my cousin. He thinks he can relax, but he can't. Come on, Amory, you've got to make drinks for the ladies. I think that they would like possibly gin and tonics or some bubbly.
Or some bubbly.
Yeah.
Do you have any bubbly left? We are
Loads.
going through the bubbly like there's no tomorrow.
You might need to put some in the fridge, but we've got absolutely loads. We're not going to run out this weekend.
Okie dokie.
It's insanely hot outside, so I've shut all the shutters and the curtains to try to keep it as cool as possible, though I don't feel I'm winning. And now I've got to go and get dressed because we're going to have a big barbecue this evening. We're all dressing up. Here are the summer dresses. I feel like something quite colourful and floaty. This morning we had a challenge for the women staying here. They were each given €10 and told to go to the local brocante, and they had to find the best thing there, and Percy is going to judge. Are you very excited about judging the brocante challenge?
Very excited. What worries me is I'm supposed to say which lady bought what item.
Oh, you got to do that as well. It's now a Percy challenge.
That is a worry.
Are you not loving it?
Oh, this is
Wow,
very
I'm loving it.
exciting. Oh, this is very... Oh, wow. I'm speechless. Cherub trinket
Somebody
box.
figures I need a haircut.
Look at his little bottom. Look, his little bottom's got a tiny drape on it.
Yes, I need a haircut, it says.
Bit of modesty.
One. Ah,
And
yes. The dear... Is it Secretariat?
let's start off with this.
Oh.
This was bought at the Percy Challenge, and it was bought for the chateau.
Oh.
Wow.
So,
We will be enjoying that together.
so the wine is for the chateau.
Wow.
I think
1987.
I think this was from the Bulldog lady.
You used to having this bulldogs, yes?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So you guessed that correctly?
Yes. Well done.
Wow.
Well done.
So now you've got to decide who wore the other
Which
two.
leaves two. Yeah. If she hadn't given me this one, I would have said the shears probably comes from Jocelyn. She's always wanting to kill somebody.
It's so.
Usually dates you're trying to kill.
I will say,
Abby, well done on the cherub with the bottom.
Thank you.
So Percy was a winner.
I think the shears.
The worthy winner.
I can't believe for 1 second. I can't believe for 1 second that you don't realise the quality. It was a whole €2.
You know the basket.
But it's very tactile. Feel the fur.
No.
Okay, life's getting weird. There's a nun doing the barbecue.
I do know where you're going.
It's very, I mean, it actually looks quite medieval. I wouldn't worry too much about it.
Leave it on. Can you give us a twirl?
Should I ask Michael to give you a twirl?
Gorgeous. Yes, Michael, would you like to give us a twirl? That, I feel I got more than I was expecting with that twirl.
Bit of a fire.
Were you going for the flame grilled?
There's a bit of a fire hazard, yeah?
Especially when wearing a polyester nun's
up.
habit.
Stop, drop and roll. Steph. Stop, drop and roll.
Ruth, and I just say you don't seem too worried about your boyfriend.
What's going up in flames? As long as the food's nice.
Two incredibly beautiful people bearing food and wine. Ooh, I like
Essentials.
this.
The essentials in life. Meat, booze.
Mum, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
This tunic feels like...
Good morning. I'm very good. How are you?
Very well, thank
Fantastic.
Excellent. Did you have a lovely evening?
It was
you. So you
alright.
can take that cheesy grin away.
It was alright. Nothing special.
That was a bit rubbish, actually. To
Yeah.
be fair. The company was awful.
Likewise, mine as well.
Yeah, it's awful.
Yeah.
Really awful.
Yeah.
Have you
Yeah.
just woken up?
Yeah.
Brilliant stuff. Loving your work.